Hi Pisces, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and let's do your love bite now. These are general collective readings. Pisces will not resonate with each and every one of you, so take what works for you and just leave the rest. Oh, some decisions are going to be made, it seems here, Pisces. I hadn't even begun your reading, and this card popped out. In fact, I started doing the reading a little 5 minutes ago, and I needed a sip of water. So I shut the reading down, and this card came out for you, optimism. Okay, so I think you have to be really optimistic about whatever decisions you're making because you are being judged in the right direction here, it seems. So I'm going to take another angel blessing card for you. Don't worry. But this is the one which came out. It was so beautiful. I just left it there. But I think this at this time you may be making some decisions here. Let's leave this card here and see what decisions, whether it's going to resonate with the rest of our reading. So welcome back, all my subscribers. I don't know whether I did the prayer or not in all this conversation. So let's just quickly do one again. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for my Pisces gang and send them all the messages and advice that they would require at this time. Thank you. So let's take another angel blessing card for you, since you didn't see this one come out, but it was lovely and I just left it there. So my angels, blessing or an advice card for my Pisces gang, please. Blessing or an advice card for my Pisces. This one. Okay, let's keep this here. Put the rest back. Love. So some decisions in love are being made here, and Spirit is saying stay optimistic. Things are going to be all right. Don't worry about anything. There's a lot of love that's surrounding you right now. Okay, so welcome back, all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. Thank you for supporting the channel. I'm very, very blessed to have you all here. And if you're new here, we welcome you to our Omkara family. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, and become part of us. We welcome you in. And so newbies, let me explain this. This is just a simple 9-card spread. Your longer readings have already been put up. If you've missed them, I'll leave a link at the end of the video. So this is just a simple 9-card one to check on what you need to know right now. And if any of you need a private reading, Pisces, you can reach me at my email. It's in the description box below. So there is a King of Pentacles, bottom of my deck here, Pisces, but he's in reverse. So now the King of Pentacles upright is the husband, the one who is a provider, who's my favorite, to be honest. He's just the right kind of person that you want to have as a life partner. But this person is still a little ungrounded at the moment. Let's see who this is and why he's here. So 6 of Pentacles, 6 of Wands, and the 10 of Wands. Queen of Wands, 7 of Wands, Knight of Cups, 7 of Cups, 10 of Cups, and the 10 of Pentacles. There was a problem of equal give and take here in a relationship here, Pisces, from what I see. One person was giving too much, the other person wasn't giving enough to make this relationship grow, it seems. This led to a lot of unhappiness. There was no cause for celebration. There was no happiness to be had. Somebody here in the dynamic felt like a loser, while the other person was wanting to win and be the top gun. One person. It was a very unequal dynamic where somebody kind of gave up. They lost their optimism for this relationship, and they felt that somebody is always putting them down and making them feel like a public embarrassment or, not good. Basically not good. They felt that their partner was emotionally manipulative and never really expressed their emotions the way they should have. Maybe sometimes they would show love, sometimes they would pull back, playing a lot of games here to keep their partner emotionally stuck with them. So this was a very imbalanced relationship, and it's, I think, now come to that place where it's almost come to an end here, because this person was not very grounded. Yes, and nor have they come forward after this breakup, nor have they come forward, I think, with any apology or any sorry or any new offer of love either. So things are quite, I think, at its end right now. All the love in this equation seems to have drained out. I think it was only being put 90%, I think, from the feminine side, who felt non-victorious. They felt they were always the one. Their cups always kept getting drained out, one by one by one. All these cups are in reverse. 3 cups here, 9 cups here, and finally the Ace of Cups here, because whatever cup was being offered maybe to them by this King of Cups was not very authentic, and it had a little fish in it as well, which was stinking, right? So I think because of that, the feminine energy is now decided on something and now is picking themselves up to be the best version of themselves. They are no longer wanting to invest in anything or anyone who's going to come towards them with any kind of false promises. So I think somebody has woken up here. Yes, they did love, but they've realized that it can't be a one-sided relationship anymore. So this Queen of Pentacles, looking rather good as well, very beautiful, has their plans, I think, yes, they are now working on themselves big time working on their own security, their own happiness, their own profession, their own education, and saying, hey, I'm going to take charge of my own life now, and this is a single person now, right? Saying, this is me and myself, and I'm going to now shine. And they are. Whoever this feminine is looking gorgeous. This is the kind of Queen of Wands is one queen who is the most gorgeous queen in the entire tarot deck. She's the one who's sexy and beautiful and walks into a room and people just can't keep their eyes off this person, right? So this queen is saying, I am no longer going to invest in anything that's not going to give me equal give and take. And this has become, I think, a big tower moment. This breakup has become a big tower moment. Yes, it's come after a long time because there's been a little bit of fear of ending it. I think this feminine has waited and waited for a long time, felt totally depleted and then picked herself up. But this tower moment has now happened, I think, after a period of delay when the masculine, I think, has realized that none of their false promises are going to work. Yes, there is no forward movement. There is no news coming from my feminine. Earlier, maybe the feminine used to keep messaging or saying, hey, how are you? Nothing from the feminine side. Not now, believing anything from this masculine who they feel is giving only false promises. Knight of Cups, Spirit. This masculine is now being looked at as a player, somebody who's a very immature energy, who is not consistent, who doesn't step up to the plate. Both knights, right? So this is how the feminine is now viewing this masculine and saying, hey, you have to rather grow up a little bit, right? You aren't up to my level, because I kept hoping you would step up your game, but since you haven't, I am now going to turn my back on you. So I have somebody here who's now given up on the relationship, showing their back to this masculine and saying, this is how I look at you, and I'm no longer going to live in confusion. I choose one, and that one is me, because I can give myself this 9 of Cups, which are full. My family, my friends, my life, me, myself. I'm going to find my own happiness now, choose myself, and I'm not looking for a commitment from you anymore. So that's going to be the tower moment, I think, which is happening in this masculine's life, where this feminine is finally going to stand up for herself. 7 of Cups, Spirit. 7 of Cups. 7 of Cups. Ten of Cups. And the 10 of Pentacles, Spirit. One more. Somebody is getting out of their stress and tension here, Pisces. I see somebody making a firm decision. Yes, they had love. They did feel that this person was my soulmate, their best friend. They felt an intense connection with this person. But because of this masculine's bad behavior, maybe they were rude, mean, or they were not never clear in their communication. They never actually stepped up to the king level anyway. So this feminine is now pulling back her love and putting a big lid on her cup of love and saying, hey, I'm not interested. I am now going towards my own wish fulfillment. Okay, these eight empty cups I'm leaving behind, and even if I'm by myself and with my family or my friends, at least I'll add one more. From the eight of cups, I'll come to the nine of cups, which means I can fulfill my own wishes. I'm not looking for your two cups or whatever, because I've tried and I've failed here. So I think this is the feminine energy walking away from these eight empty cups and going towards their nine of cups here, to find their happiness in their world. No longer looking for this commitment from a person who lied to them, cheated, never really kind of decided upon them, was always going in the wrong direction here. I think there's somebody here who's now deciding for them, saying, I'm not going to be at crossroads all my life, masculine. I am now choosing my path. I've chosen one already, and I'm now very optimistic, and I'm going to first love myself, I think. Let's see if we have anything for new love coming then, Pisces. Anything new coming for love? And that's why this card popped out right in the beginning, Pisces. I said there's a big choice in love being made. And that's exactly what somebody is doing here. Choosing themselves, no longer waiting to feel like a loser or being, not respected in a relationship. So let's see here. New love spirit? Any new love coming in for Pisces? Any new love coming for Pisces? One more. There is another soulmate coming for you, Pisces, if not the same one who's coming back. But at this time, I think you're kind of feeling rather free. You, after making this decision, or you will be, once you let go of all this stress and tension and not worrying about somebody coming back with this fishy cup for you, you are going to be dropping all your stress and tension. Okay, all this is going to go, and whether this is, an old partner coming back, or this could be a new soulmate that is arriving in your life, it's going to lead you to a lot of love here, because now you'll be approaching this new love in your life with a lot of optimism. Earlier, maybe you were in this state, always stressed, worried, with swords in your head all the time, waiting for somebody who was no good for you. So very soon I do see some new soulmate coming into your life with a lot of love. There is love approaching. So some of you, it could be your past person coming back, or for the others, it could be a new soulmate maybe who you've known in a past lifetime. This is going to be again a very strong relationship. So let's not take any clarifications for them, and just one on the Six of Cups. So who's this soulmate coming in Pisces life spirit? Is it somebody new? There is a new lover coming, Pisces. This is a brand new love offer coming your way. This person is going to feel like the true soulmate, okay? Not the one that you thought was and who kind of never gave you. But this soulmate will come into your life, Pisces, after you release this obsession that you have for commitment, after you kind of put your barriers down, after you start feeling a little free and heal a little bit. Right now, I think you are still kind of attached to what didn't happen. Somebody didn't offer you commitment and you were fighting for it. Just let it go now. Start flowing with, what life has to offer for you. The minute you let your guard down now and stop fighting for the exact person or exact thing that you want, this soulmate is going to come into your life and give you a lot of happiness. This is definitely a new soulmate because, yes, where did he go? He was on his horse, he trotted somewhere, I don't know. But this is a beautiful new relationship coming for you. For some of you, it could be an old person. Maybe you stop focusing on him and they kind of change around. I don't know, this could be on your personal situation here, Pisces. But for other Pisces who don't have love in their life or are breaking off from an old connection, I see you still have a beautiful connection coming. There is love in your future with a fabulous soulmate. Okay, so stay very, very optimistic, Pisces. Good things are coming. Okay, don't give up hope. So that's all I have for you. Love and light. Take care. Namaste.